All right, what's up, fam? All right, so right now it is raining outside. There is a pretty good chance that River Run Park is surfable right now, so I am cruising over to River Run Park. It's a little bit later in the day, but you know, in the Colorado surf season, you don't know how many days of surf you're gonna actually get. So anytime you think that there's surf, I'd say always go for it. I don't always recommend going at night. And if you do go at night, actually, I don't recommend going at night at all. Do not go at night. You didn't hear that from C-Lew, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So right now, I'm gonna get ready real quick. It's gonna be a little chilly today, but whatever. Should be fun. I am wearing this fun, colorful Quicksilver suit, so you can see me when it's a little bit darker, and yeah, should be a good time. So if you like what you're seeing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tell a friend. I always appreciate that. Make sure to stay tuned for new videos every Friday. And as always, fam, I love you. Thanks for all the support and love. Peep game and enjoy, and one love. All right, here we go. Go time. Guys, out here in the rain, I'm recommending go get you some Pivot socks. These socks are the best socks in the game. Use code C-Lew to get 20% off your next order at getpivot.com. Go get your Pivot socks today. Ew! Alrighty, fam. I am done running right now. I am super warm. Fun fact about this wetsuit that I'm wearing right now. It's this cool blue. You'll get to see it all here in a minute. But last time I wore this suit, I was in Florida, and there is still beach sand everywhere. Like, everywhere. Every move I take, I feel sand. But it's crazy that, like, we don't have to deal with sand at all out here. Like, I never have to deal with sand. Maybe a little bit of gravel for taking off my wetsuit, but like, besides that, no sand, and we're still surfing. So it's just funny how you can surf wherever, but things are gonna differ a little bit. You're just gonna have to prepare for it if you really want to chase that stoke. Phew. All right, the crew is down there. Oh shit, I don't even know if you guys can see that. All right, a little bit better. The squad is out here in full force. Let's go. Alrighty, fam. I already know I fucked up with the wetsuit size. I'm rocking a 3.2 today. Should have rocked the 5.4. It's all good. Let's go ahead and get it, bro. Let's start that shit. You. Starting to get a little dark. I'm not gonna stay too late tonight, but I did get some new lights, so I want to test those out real quick. Let's go ahead and grab those real quick and start the night session. Party time. Woo! What's up, fam? So it is the next morning. Yesterday's session was awesome. Had the lights out. Ended up just rocking there by myself for about an hour. I do not recommend that to anybody, but I had to get it while I can. Today, I've got a bunch of stuff to do. However, I am gonna get that session in. So just so everyone knows, and people are gonna hate me for telling people how this works, but you know, gotta let the people know. If you're trying to learn how to river surf, the best thing to do is to always check the CFS. That's cubic feet per second of how much water is coming down the river. That's how we measure the water levels. So you always want the wave to be right over at least 120 CFS. That's the lowest that you could ride River Run Park, which that's where the majority of my videos are filmed. It gets really, really good over like 150-ish, and then gets even better above 200, and anything over 250 is basically Colorado pipeline, and it is, I don't know actually, I don't know if I'd say it's pipeline, because I actually think it's easier to surf when there's more water. It's a little bit scarier when you fall, but the wave itself is 1,000 times easier to surf. So I don't know how you would compare that, because pipeline is super gnarly and scary from what I've been told. It looks scary when the water's up super high, but I promise you it's easier to ride. Regardless though, right now the water's at like 160. The reason I'm telling you all this is because they turn off the water, they turn it off and on. This is all for the farmers in Colorado right now, because it's spring and they're still farming and stuff, so they're still driving water for their crops. So they can stop the water at any given moment. Last summer, it was like they were doing it every day at 11. Well, now it's just up in the air. Who knows? Yesterday, they dropped it at, I think it was 1 p.m. A couple weeks ago, they dropped it at like 10 o'clock. The week before that, it was at like 8. So they're on their own schedule. They don't give a fuck about us surfers, which is fine. I'm just stoked to be able to surf. But yeah, just wanted to relay that knowledge to you, let you know like why I'm just shooting all over the place, why I'm like down there really quick and I'm like, yo, we have a head surf, oh, check this out. It's because when the water drops, we have about 2 hours to surf, and we don't know when they're gonna turn that shit off. So I'm gonna get a morning session in so I can make sure I ride this wave. Yeah, really freaking stoked. Thank you for watching, guys. Yeah, let's get after it. Here we go. All right, fam, we are here back at River Run Park. I just got done checking out the waves. They look pretty solid. So we're gonna go ahead, suit up here. Today I only brought my 5.6 with me. Yesterday my 410 Catch Surf started losing its traction pad, sort of a bummer, so I'm trying to repair that right now. I just haven't had time, so busted out the 5.6 today. Should be a good time. I am really stoked. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Alrighty, fam, got the board suited up, ready to rock here, the jacket on to cruise down. I'm gonna skate down today and just get after it. Here we go. Alrighty, fam, it is looking really good right now. I am pretty stoked. Definitely looking rideable. Yeah, let's go ahead and start that music.